This is the story of Grandma Ellen, a woman who never feared the mountains because she understood them. As golden morning light touched the peaks, she walked their paths as if greeting old friends. To the villagers, she was just an elderly traveler, but to the mountains, she was a trusted companion. One day, a fluttering blue butterfly led laughing children deep into the hills. As fog slowly swallowed the paths and fear replaced joy, their playful adventure turned into silence. In the heart of the mountains, hope began to fade. Then came Grandma Ellen's calm voice, breaking through the mist. Broken bridges, strong winds, and dangerous trails could not shake her courage. With steady hands and a gentle smile, she guided the children forward, teaching them that true bravery is moving ahead despite fear. As the sun set and the village came into view, tears of relief filled the air. Yet Grandma Ellen quietly turned back toward the mountains. She knew that when the heart learns to listen, the mountains show the way. She was no longer just a person, she had become a legend.